What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, I have a basic ABC medium skin fade. Nothing complicated, nothing sophisticated. Shout out to Cuss from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Hey, by the way, I featured this gentleman before. Hey, why not do it again? On my left is Tico Cuts, the only Filipino barber in the world. Tico, say what's up.
What's up?
You see? Now, we at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. Gonzo the Barber, what's up? Miguel Torres, what's up? Miss Regina, I see you. Ricardo Cuts, I know you're watching. Angelic Cuts, stop playing. Barber Illuminati, let's go! All right, now I have to come down and adjust the camera. Boom. Here we go. Oh my God, it's gonna be fun. Wow. Wow, this is incredible. Oh my God, I'm gonna have so much fun. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Wow, this is incredible. Wow, as you already know my style, half of the haircut on the other side has already been completed. I trimmed the top already. I saved this portion to record, nothing more, nothing less. All right, let's go. I'm gonna start with my first guideline as usual. I usually create my first guideline with the 08 blade. That's coming up. All right, let's get to it. All right, 000 at an angle as usual. Well, there we go. I'm still adjusting. The channel is growing. Shout out to Izo the Barber, I see you. Thank you for the investment. I'm not doing anything different here. The same old usual steps is working out for me and you, so why not keep it up? All right, 50 at an angle. Basically, I use the 50 on the same manner I do with the 000, only slightly lower. Nothing special. What's the division number?
442.
Shout out to Division 442, congratulations. Go Navy. Hey, you tell me watch the videos, okay?
I will.
Oh man.
You get sworn this weekend now.
Huh?
So now you're gonna get sworn this weekend.
I'm telling you. I said, hey, if you want to see how this haircut is done, you go to the Barber Illuminati channel and subscribe. Stop playing recruits. You know, they all can't wait until they get back to their cell phones.
Oh, you know.
That's the first thing they're gonna do. Some of them, their parents gonna bring their cell phones to them.
Majority of them got them still because they don't have them with them, but they're in their boxes. They get them back.
Oh, I see. All right, I'm gonna move on to the 1.5 guideline. This whole area gonna be done with the 1.5. So what I've done so far is the OA, 00050, and a little bit of the TR line on the bottom to make sure the bottom line is clearly out of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat a portion of the blend. This is the OA one more time to make sure my guideline is nice and clean. My blend is nice and clean, then I'm gonna move on. A little bit of the 50. All right. Now my next guideline gonna be created with the 1.5. Let me adjust the camera a bit. Boom. We're looking good. All right, 1.5. Then the 1/8. Get in there. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. This video will not be edited. Then the one below, the 1/8. OA below the 1 at an angle as usual. Then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps, starting with the 1.5. Then the 1A. One A, get in there. Hello. Emmanuel can take them. The guy that took him the last time is not here right now. We got him. This is the 1. So far I've done the 1.5. 1A, 1. Then the OA. Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little small repetition, starting with the 1A blade. I want this area to be a little softer, so I'm just gonna go at it a little bit more. 1A. That's what it takes when you're doing all detachable blades. My secret is you repeat the blend if I'm not satisfied. What happened? What? Bring him over. Bring the little boy over, please. He's doing a birch fade with the OA in the bottom. That kid, is he still over there? Well, yeah, actually a little mohawk thingy. He has a picture. Down to the 1. Get in there. A little bit of that OA. All right, we're getting ready to wrap this up. Congratulations to the ease of the barber from out of Zion. He made that investment today. I appreciate it. The newest barber Illuminati. Barber Illuminati. Tico Cuts. Tico Cuts on my left. The only Filipino barber in the world. The other ones don't count. And you get down with the all blades as well. Kelly's Cuts. I see you. I know you're watching. All right. Lastly, I'm doing a little bit of the 000. Then we're gonna move on. Boom. All right, I think I'm satisfied.
Is it pointing in the back?
No. Keep it round in the back, please. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. Let me see if I can do a little quick span before we wrap this up. I'm gonna adjust the camera a bit. I think my client here is falling asleep.
Nah.
I'm the sleepy one, as usual. He's excited. I'm excited.
Always.
Boom. All right, let me see if I can do a little quick spin here for you guys to see the entire work. Boom. By the way, I had already prepped the hard part that you see, but I did it off camera. This is the final product. Blend, nice and crispy. Goat navy. Wow, this is incredible. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, look at this, flawless. Wow, wow, wow. This is incredible. Wow, 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 wow. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. If you watch the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. I appreciate your subscription. Thank you for finding value in the channel. Also, feel free to look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.